Hello viewers, today we are going to see about zoology general knowledge. Topic wise we will see biodiversity. Who created numerical taxonomy? Michael Adamson. Choose the triploblastic animal. Earthworm. Class Rhizopoda including organisms or unicellular organisms. Pseudocoelomate. The excretory organs of Taenia solium, flame cells. The metameristic organisms are annelids. The peripatus links the following phylum, Annelida and Arthropoda. Water vascular system shows Echinodermata. The type of amniotic kidney, metanephric. Viviparous animals are mammals, limbless amphibians, caecilians. Cell biology. We cannot see wet cells in this microscope, electron microscope. Congo red gives color to these cells. Yeast, powerhouse of the cell, mitochondria. How many Golgi complex we can see in animal cell? 1. The function of lysosome, intracellular digestion. Peroxisome present cells are unicellular organisms, fungi and plant. The number of triplet microtubules in centriole, 9. Nucleus present cells, eukaryotes. The causes of lung cancer, smoking, human anatomy. The pigment gives color to skin, melanin. Choose the flat bone, skull bone, ribs and sternum. The bone number of thoracic cage, 12. Which bone keeps the hand without touching of body, cardi bone. Deltoid or triangle muscle shape, triangle muscle. The teeth shape of human, thecodont. The outer covering of lungs, pleura. In between artery and vein called capillaries. The number of brain bones in human, 12. Meibomian gland secretes sebum. The weight of human thyroid, 20 gram. The capillaries of Bowman capsule, glomerulus. The other name of interstitial cells, Leydig cells. The 5-month of female fetus ovary consists of 7 million oocytes. Uterus tube, otherwise called fallopian tube. The rabbit deep brown color genotype is CC. Alternative genes creating phenotype, alleles phenotype. Universal donor, O. The inheritance of skin color research done by C.B. Davenport. In Drosophila, Y chromosome is curved. The poly X stage in female, superfemales. Eject W female example, gypsy moth, fishes, reptiles, birds and mammals. Sex-related future in man, X-related, Y-related and XY-related. Which one of the following genotype resists malaria? HbA, HbS. The future of AY genotype, multiple dominant killing. Next topic, developmental biology. Founder of ecology, Aristotle. Name the type of yolk in amphibians, yolk platelets. Microlecital egg example is birds. Superficial cleavage example is insects. The cells of around blastocells is called blastula. The next stage of archenteron and gastrocele is called blastophore. Name the cells which is responsible for perception of object in innermost layer of the eye, rod and cone. Next, economic zoology. The ornamental coral, Corallium rubrum. A single earthworm can produce 1000 to 1500 offsprings in a year. The scientific method of silk production, sericulture. It is a natural secretion of the worker bee from the glands located in the abdomen. Bees wax. The silkworm present in Assam, Muga silkworm. The important trees needed for lac encrustation, kusum, burr and bubble. The example of insect predators, lady bird beetle. The lobsters of our country, spiny lobsters. Fish used as animal fodder, lubricants and manufacture of cake. The genus name of goldfish, Carassius. The importance of fish manure and guano is manure. The advantage of 1% potassium permanganate. It prevents microbial attack. The example of vector, sandfly, ratfly and housefly. The young one of filarial worm originates lymphatic vessels. The attacking organ of Physalia, stinging cells. The pufferfish tetradon consists of poison in intestine and kidney is tetrodotoxin. Smoke sending process, killing in egg stage. Origin of life. Oparin's theory of primary abiogenesis. The period of Cenozoic, the age of mammals. The connecting link of Archaeopteryx, reptiles and birds. Thank you viewers. If you like this channel, you can subscribe, like, share and comment.